Hello, this is Maribel from Learning in Wonderland. I'm here to show you how to put together your flipbook for curriculum night. So, when you open up your file with all of your sheets, you will see this right here. I labeled each one sheet A, sheet B, sheet C, sheet D, E, and F, just to make it a little bit easier to explain everything. If your file opens up and these are out of order, I recommend dragging them around and placing them in alphabetical order, just to make it a little bit easier for you to follow along. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your PowerPoints. Now the reason why I made them all separate files is because each sheet of paper that you're going to print out has several options within it, and I thought it would be pretty confusing if I put them all in one big PowerPoint. You'd have to figure out what to delete, what to keep, and it become kind of a mess. This is the easiest way that I could think of. From each PowerPoint file that you see here, you're going to be printing one page. So you will have 6 pages altogether when you're done. So let me go ahead and open up Sheet A. Sheet A consists of the front cover, and you will see this red writing right here. It's just a little reminder to let people know that there's a video to watch to help you put this together. So to get rid of it, you just go ahead and click on it and press delete, and it's gone for you. Now throughout the file, you will see that I added little notations on the side. You can delete those if you would like. They're just a little reminder of where the text is going to be showing up once you print everything out. So this is the cover as is that I used, but you can use these other ones as well, right here. And I wanted to include lots of different options for you to choose from. Down here, if you would like this to be called Parent Night or strategies for working at home, whatever else you would like this to be used for, you can go ahead and use the blank templates and enter your text here. So I included a bunch of different covers, 18 altogether that you can choose from. Now I've had questions about this text here, how to type into it because it's upside down. The easiest way that I've seen to flip it back around and then put it back upside down again is just to go to rotate, flip vertical. I just like to drag it and I go ahead and click on it, enter, whatever text you want to enter here. Then once you're done entering it, you can go ahead and click up here to rotate, flip it vertical again, or you can use this little green guy right here to go ahead and guide you, and then just drag it back in place wherever you need it to be. This is the only page that needs upside down text. Everything else will be right side up. So those are the options for the covers. Go and edit out of that one. Here's sheet B. On the first page of every file that you see, I included the exact text that I am sending home with my parents. So this is exactly what I'm sending out. So nothing is editable right here. But if you go to the next page, I have the same exact text located here that you can go ahead and edit and customize to your liking. So in each one, I just put the red text up here saying that you can customize it. You can just go ahead and delete that and then go ahead and edit this. If you want to use the same font that I used, I have a PDF that's included within this file that has the links to every font that I used in this product. So you can go ahead and click here. I like to click up here where it says the font itself, and I'm going to enter KG Miss Kindergarten, and there it is. As you can see, it's a little bit large, so I can just go ahead and change the sizes as much as I need to up here to make it fit inside the box again. So there you go. So you can go ahead and edit, whatever you would like here. I just left these as ideas for you to use. If you would like to use them, that's great, and if not, just feel free to delete everything in here and enter your own text. Here are some websites that I left. Again, go ahead and click on this, delete that, and you are free to use this and change this to whatever font you would like to use or enter additional websites. Down here, if you don't like any of my text here, no problem, just go to the next one and you can go ahead and edit your own text and edit your own title right here. If this is not going to be a technology slide for you, you just click right here and they're completely blank. And you can just enter your text down here, enter your text here, and you'll be good to go. If you get mixed up on where everything's going to show up, again, it's on the side right here. It's going to tell you where the text is going to be landing. Same concept with the rest of them. You know, the first one is exactly the same way that mine is. You can't edit anything here, but if you continue on, same idea as before, customize a little further for you. So you can use it as you need for your parents. Again, same idea. Not customizable, but here you can customize my text, and here you can enter any of your text that you would like to use. Exactly the same here. And the last one is right here, and for this one, I like to show pictures of what I want the parents to do at home. It just makes it a little bit easier to excuse me, it makes it a little bit easier just to see and understand what I'm talking about here. So again, this one not customizable, but this one, you just go ahead and click inside here and you can customize. I entered some text here just saying that I recommend adding a picture. You can just go ahead and click on that, delete it, click on that, delete it. And then to drag your picture here, you just go ahead and grab it from wherever you're going to get it from and put it in there. It might show up a little larger, so you can just change it as much as you would need here. And I like to change it to grayscale, so what I did is I went to recolor and then I changed it to grayscale right there. It doesn't really matter, I'm printing this out in black and white anyway, but if you're using a color printer and you would like it to come out in black and white, you just do that right there, and then you can drag any other picture right inside here. So that one's too big, so I just shrink it and it's ready to go. And again, the last one's completely customizable. Whatever you would like to do with that there, you are free to do. So that is pretty much it. I did want to give you one last tip. When you're printing this book, make sure that you are printing it in actual size. If you print it to shrink to page, it is not going to print right and nothing will align. So make sure to print everything out in actual size. If you print everything right, my little copyright down here will disappear. And I did that on purpose because I don't like sending my handouts home to my parents with my blog name. So I just go ahead and crop that out when I print it. So I'll show you how I would print it. You go to print here. And here if it says scale to fit, the page is going to print out like this. You will see my full logo right there, my signature, and the book will not align because the page will not be aligned exactly how I needed it to be. So you'll just go ahead and click scale to fit paper. I hear that some people have it on frame slides, and the same thing will happen. It might shrink out a little to make room for that. You do not want that, so just get rid of that. Make sure it's printing an actual size like this. Hit print and you'll be good to go for each one. And that is about it. One last tip is just make sure you print them out in order and keep them in order. So make sure you have sheet A, then sheet B, sheet C, D, E, and F all together. And now that you have them all ready to go ahead and watch the next video, which is part 2, and that will show you how to assemble the whole book and copy it with your printer.